there is technology. We have enough tools to prevent transmission of HIV from mothers to their babies. The PMTCT program is able to enroll 98% of mothers who are living with HIV and AIDS on treatment. So 98% of these mothers are on treatment. But unfortunately, we still see 4,700 babies acquiring HIV. And so she's right to ask, why? Why is this happening? We have the drugs. The drugs are in all facilities across the country. We have trained health workers, and we are able to monitor mothers who are on treatment to make sure that they support the babies. So we've been able to do studies, and this is what we have identified as the problem. Problem number one is girls or women who become HIV infected when they are already pregnant. So ideally, when a mother is pregnant, she's supposed to start attending antenatal, and it is through the antenatal program that we are able to offer them testing services so that they know their status early. But sometimes these mothers come late to antenatal, and if they come late and they are recently infected with HIV, the risk of transmission of HIV from the mother to the baby is higher. Track initiative was launched. We have been able to have the number of babies that are acquiring HIV from their HIV infected mothers. As of December 2023, new HIV infections among babies acquired from their mothers was 4,700 compared to over 8,800 that was recorded in 2016. So all this paints a picture of success, and as a country, we should be proud of the success that we've made because of the efforts of the many stakeholders. However, we had set targets that by 2025, we should have reduced new HIV infections to less than 20,000. So at 38,000, we have not yet reached the target, and we may not be able to hit the target of 2025 of less than 20,000 new HIV infections in a year. And similarly, having 4,700 babies each year acquiring HIV from their infected mothers is still high, considering that the technology is there. We have the drugs, we can test the mothers in time, and we have the counselors. We can support these mothers, and therefore, with all this in place, still seeing 4,700 babies getting infected with HIV is still on the higher side. HIV during the pregnancy, and by the time you came for antenatal, perhaps the transmission has already occurred. But the other category that we are seeing are mothers who are in care, they are on treatment, but then along the way, either during pregnancy or during breastfeeding, they get lost to care. They are no longer coming for treatment. And then in the process, if they are defaulting on their treatment, the viral load goes up again, and they are more likely to transmit HIV to their babies.